Omnibus House is a house with 6 gardens, each designed as a unique outdoor space to create a varied home environment. The house's beautiful location on the steep hills of Yangpyeong, near Seoul, was the main inspiration for this project. With views of the river, forest, and rolling meadows, the house was designed to maximize these views through the strategic placement of gardens at various levels of the hill. The architecture here acts as a framing device, separating each garden as an individual space through its walls. Each garden has a unique function and context: the main garden for gathering facing the river, the lobby garden at the entrance with a large tree as a resting place, the fitness garden for yoga with lush landscaping, the secret garden on the hillside for privacy, the playground for children, and the backyard as a utility area. The design of the house is not intended as a single object but as a form that emerges from the logic of the outdoor space. The main living space is contained within the remaining linear area that connects the gardens into a harmonious domestic whole, functioning like a corridor behind the scenes. The exterior walls with colorful and intricately patterned bricks are designed to create dynamic shadows, adjusted to the orientation of the sun and the time of use of the garden. These bricks are designed with unique patterns to enrich the experience of the occupants, creating a connected life through the various segments of the house that function as an omnibus.